everyone, and thank you for joining us for another video. If you like the content, kindly like and subscribe. We really enjoy making these videos for you. Today we are making a Caribbean chicken and dumpling soup. You know, it has been cold and I was a little under the weather last week, and this soup has got me through. So on those cold days, try this recipe. It is really good and I think you would really enjoy it. So let's begin. So, guys, when I started doing this, it's so funny. I started making a soup, but then I thought about it. I was like, I'm not recording. So in the pot is a whole chicken, right? So I have one whole chicken. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I have a half an onion, 3 sprigs of thyme, and I seasoned that chicken up with all-purpose seasoning and some bouillon. So whatever your all-purpose seasoning of choice, and I put in some chicken bouillon, and we put in 8 cups of water. Now, these are my veggies that I put in, but I'm going to put these in later as the chicken cooks a little bit. So I have some carrots, another half of onion, and 2 potatoes. So you want to put this in, you want that chicken to cook for at least 20 minutes before you throw this in, because then the veggies will be mushy. Here is the trick that my Caribbean friend told me to make this soup. She told me to make sure I get some Grace chicken flavored soup mix. Now this is country style, but it comes in different flavors, so you pick the one that you want for yourself. In this soup, I'm going to put some dumplings. So that is 1 cup of flour. And then to the cup of flour, I put in about a half a teaspoon of salt. This is optional, but I put that in. And then I added in some water. Now be careful with this water. I was going to pour a cup of water in there, and that would have been way too much. So I would say that's about 3 to 4 tablespoonfuls. I did add a little bit more, and then it was too much, so I had to add a little bit more flour. But as I got this little dough ball, and I stirred all that stuff up and made it into a little dough ball. And then from there, I took and I just made a little shape with them. Now, make sure you keep your dough separate like this, whatever shape you make, because I messed up and picked them all up and it turned into one big dough ball again. So you want to keep them separated until they're ready to go into the pot. So guys, I added in those vegetables that you saw earlier. The chicken has been cooking for about a good 25 minutes. It's starting to break down. So this is a good time to add those veggies in so that they won't be so mushy. I would say after this, I'm going to cook this chicken for about another 15 to 20 minutes until it is falling off the bone. So guys, here is that chicken soup mix from Grace. I am adding this in. It has a little bit of noodles, I guess dry noodles in there too. So I added in the whole packet. Make sure it gets good in there and stir that in and let that soup cook until it breaks down. So here is my soup. It's been cooking for I think a total of 35 to 40 minutes. So guys, what you're looking for is for that chicken to be falling off the bone. Once it's falling off the bone and you can just pull it apart, that soup is ready. So guys, here is my soup. It is nice in a bowl. It looks really good. And you can see there, poured on some more broth. We have some carrots, some dumpling, a nice big piece of chicken. I wish you can smell my house. It smells so good in here. So if it is a cold day and you need a chicken soup recipe, try this one out. It is really good, really tasty. I don't think you guys are going to have any complaints at all. And it's definitely one you want to try. Now you can add some pepper, something like Scotch bonnet pepper if you like. Yeah, feel free. I don't do the pepper right now, but it probably will be a nice added kick. So guys, I am so happy you joined us for another video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next Thursday, same time, same place. Oh, a smiley face in the comment section is always welcome, or a comment, or if you would like to see something specifically cooked, let me know in that comment section. See you next Thursday. Bye.